I'd like to welcome you to the ribbon-cutting ceremony of the new Academic Commons and the Science and Math Complex. This day has been a long time in coming, and we are so happy that it's here. The Academic Commons brings together offices with a diverse set of missions, each providing assistance to students as they seek to fulfill their academic potential and graduate in the timeliest manner. The Science and Math Complex, otherwise known as SAMC, boasts a multi-story glass atrium, upgraded research and teaching facilities, an advanced imaging suite, greenhouses, and the newly imagined Whitworth-Ferguson Planetarium. SAMC's state-of-the-art research labs and collaborative spaces all contribute to the type of experiential learning that leads to higher levels of student success.
These two unique facilities we are officially opening today are a reflection of innovation and a caring approach that thrives here at Buffalo State College. The newly reconfigured Academic Commons and Butler Library brings together many amazing support services. And now our fully complete Science and Math Complex gives our students access to facilities and equipment, and the new spectacular Whitworth-Ferguson Planetarium is truly a sight to be seen.
What a beautiful day it is today. So we always root for Buff State because we view Buff State as a unique commodity.
I am thrilled to add our thank you and congratulations to all who were instrumental in making these two wonderful spaces a reality. As a Buffalo State alum, I'm always proud to see our campus grow. I hope the current and future students enjoy the Academic Commons and the new Science and Math Complex for many years to come and are all truly inspired here.